Cao Yu Chen is a Chinese actor. He graduated from the Central Academy of Drama. He was born on March 15, 1993 in Lanzhou, China. In 2022, he starred in Mrs. Cupid in Love. With his excellent acting talent and appealing personality, he has succeeded in making an impact in Hollywood and in the hearts and minds of his fans all across the globe. In 2015, Cao Yu Chen began to perform in the acting industry by starring in the urban emotional drama Tiger Mom and Cat Daddy. He has received critical acclaim for his acting skills and comedic portrayals of characters and has experienced a rise in popularity as an entertainer due to his charming personality and on-screen presence. In 2020, he starred in Something Just Like This. The same year, he also played Love Designer. In January 2017, he was paid attention to by the corner of the costume court drama The Tongue Glory. In February, he appeared in his first movie, Rules of the Game. In April, he participated in the costume of the ancient court, Tang Glory 2. In 2019, he starred in Boyfriend Playlist. The same year, he also played The Untamed and Listening Snow Tower. He has attained quite much in his still early career and seems to be hungry for more and more. In 2018, he starred in Basketball Fever. The same year, he also played Youth. In 2017, he worked in movie The Game Changer.